Welcome to Renew Hearing Center. Discover Signia Silk, the hearing aid designed to fit comfortably and almost invisibly in your ear. Its advanced technology ensures very clear, natural sound, even in noisy places everywhere. Signia Silk is ultra soft, ready to wear instantly, and comfortable all day long for users. Hear speech naturally and enjoy life fully without missing a single moment around you everywhere. Signia Silk Tiny Hearing Aid. Big difference in your everyday hearing experience for all users.